Hi friends, welcome to TechLab YouTube channel. In this demonstration, how to use Google Chrome Remote Desktop. The Remote Desktop is a tool that allows you to remotely access your computer from another device. You can use it to access files, run programs, and even provide remote assistance to other users. To do that, I'm going to open the Google Chrome first. Type this website remotedesktop.google.com, and when you enter this website you will see remote access and remote support options. So I'm going to set up a remote access, download Chrome Remote Desktop, then click on the add it to extension plugin, Chrome, select add extension, and now the MSI package is downloading. And after the downloading, accept and install. Once the installation complete, you will get this window. You need to type your computer name. I'm going to type UR_PC. Then next, and here you need to enter your PIN number. Then click on the start button, and now you'll see the status in this computer right now online. So what I'm going to do is access this computer from another PC, and now you can see I'm in another computer. I'm going to access the first computer which we have configured, okay, for the remote desktop purpose. So in this case I'm going to open the Google Chrome and enter the same website, remotedesktop.google.com. On the left side you will see remote access and remote support options, and if you are already signed in with your Google account, you can see your computer is online right now. So this is my computer. I'm going to click that, and now the PC is trying to connect the other end, and enter the PIN number we have created, and click on the remember checkbox. If you want, in the future you don't need to enter the PIN number, and next. And this is the computer we have configured the remote desktop. And also you have a right side a few options. You can disconnect and full screen mode, and scale to fit, resize to fit. You can upload and download files, and now I will show you for the testing purpose the uploading the small file. This is a small text file. I'm going to open this. The file is going to upload, and this is the test file we have right now uploaded. We have one more options to access this computer through the mobile applications. You can download from the Play Store remote desktop applications, and you can access this computer anywhere. Now I'm going to access from the mobile, and this is the application you can download from the Play Store or iPad or iOS. You can access, okay. So now I'm going to open this, and in this mobile I have already logged in the same username, which is Google account. So now you can see on the screen UR_PC is online right now. So I'm going to click that, and now I'm going to access my computer and enter the PIN number, the same we have created in the PC. Click next, and now here you can see I can easily access my computer.